Let's have a walking tour of Sigtuna, the oldest town established by Vikings in Sweden. We'll start our walk from the Stora Gatan, said to be Sweden's oldest main street, dating back to the time of 10th century King Eric the Victorious. Today it's full of shops and restaurants in traditional wooden houses. It's a small town and all the prime spots can easily be covered on foot. During our walking tour we will cover Sigtuna Rådhus, the smallest town hall, St. Per's Church ruin, mini golf course, scenic lakeside boardwalk and other interesting places. So stay with us till end. The quaint Stora Gatan has an old world charm. It has many restaurants with alfresco seating and shops. Let's visit one, it is like entering a home. Really like the display. We are now walking up the street towards the town hall. The famous Sigtuna Rådhus, considered to be the smallest town hall in Scandinavia. The hall dates back to the year 1744 and was designed by the then mayor. It's on the town square opposite the tourist office. It is a very popular selfie point. A stall selling fresh strawberries. The town can become quite crowded during weekends and holidays as it is a very popular day trip from Stockholm and Uppsala. There is no railway station in town, but there is regular buses from Bålsta and Marsta. Let's now continue our walk up the street towards museum. An old confectionery shop, full of mouth-watering candies and chocolates. Couldn't resist visiting it. Wonder why the crowd is for. People are queuing up to buy gelato. Another ice cream shop. The town has many such cafes and restaurants. All these lanes going down head towards Lake Malaren and the boardwalk. We'll also go there, but let's first visit other attractions of the town. Yours truly. We are approaching another interesting landmark which may be unique to the town. A miniature public library. It is at the entrance of a small park and one can pick up a book from here to read. Lovely flowers at the park. A hotel facing the Sigtuna Museum. The museum showcases history of Sigtuna from the Stone Age through the Viking Age to the present day. Many activities are also available. One can easily spend around an hour here. Quaint houses of town. We are now walking towards St. Olaf's Church ruin. It is one of the oldest stone churches in Sweden. St. Olaf Church was dedicated to Olaf Tryggvason, a Norwegian Viking. It was constructed around the year 1100 in Anglo-Saxon architectural style. क्यों? अच्छा तो उतार लो. We had nice pizzas here. These ruins may be of particular interest to the archaeologists and historians. Let's take a round. Can be scary on moonlit night. We are now entering the nave. A slate with inscriptions of Viking era. After the long walk, time for a gelato, the interesting mini golf on the lakeside, quite popular with the kids and adults both. Lake Mälaren. The boardwalk offers a panoramic view of the Lake Mälaren, with these wooden benches to relax over a beer and enjoy the views. Sigtuna Vicarage and St. Paul's Church ruin. Hope you enjoyed this tour with us. Please press the bell icon, like and subscribe. Thanks.